In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Magic Brush to restore/erase. By the end, you'll feel confident removing unwanted areas from a photo and bringing back anything you accidentally took out, all with a simple brush. Start by uploading your image into the editor so it appears on the canvas. Give it a moment to load, then open the editing tools by clicking Edit. From the options that appear, select Erase/Restore, sometimes called Magic Brush. This is the tool that lets you remove and recover parts of your image with simple brush strokes. Let's begin with removing background or objects you don't want. Choose Erase. Before you start painting, adjust the brush size to match the task. Use a larger brush for broad areas like wide backgrounds, and a smaller brush for edges and detailed spots. Now paint over the areas you want removed. As you glide the brush, those pixels disappear from the image. Work slowly and deliberately, and overlap your strokes slightly so you don't miss small patches. It helps to zoom in when you reach tight corners or delicate edges. Then switch to a smaller brush for greater precision. Release the mouse or lift your finger periodically to let the tool process your strokes and show you a clear preview of the result. If you remove a bit too much, that's easy to fix. Choose Restore. With Restore selected, brush over the areas you want to bring back. The original pixels reappear as you paint, which is perfect for recovering fine details like hair wisps, fabric edges, or small elements you didn't mean to erase. Adjust the brush size here as well, using a finer brush for careful touch-ups and a larger one for broader recoveries. You can switch between Erase and Restore as often as you need, while refining edges and balancing what stays versus what goes. As you work, zoom in for accuracy and zoom out to check the overall look. Vary your brush size frequently to match the detail in front of you, and use smooth, steady strokes along edges to avoid jagged lines. If a cutout looks too harsh, lightly pass over the boundary with Restore to bring back a subtle edge, then return to Erase for any leftover specks. Continue alternating until the subject looks clean and natural against the remaining background or transparency. That's all there is to it. Upload your image, click Edit, select Erase/Restore, use Erase to remove, and Restore to recover. With a bit of patience and thoughtful brushwork, you'll get professional-looking results in no time.